Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Jura Impressa J9 here. So this machine was showing an error 2 code, and what I did to resolve it is just replace this temperature sensor. So that just sits here on the side of the machine, and now you can see there's no more error code, and I'm just going to pull a shot of espresso to show you that the machine is working. Here you're able to see where we can get a nice shot of espresso with this machine. Working, and still there's no error code. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.